there's only one loop, so it'll break out of this loop here. And otherwise, if we don't break out of the loop, we'll just say t0 equals t0 plus t1. We can also say t0 plus equals t1 in most languages, but just to keep it simple, we'll just say t0 equals t0 plus 1. That will add t1 to the value, the running sum of t0. And then it will continue the loop, get the next input, check that input, and so on and so forth. So once the loop is eventually broken out of, we can, this is going to be very language dependent, but most languages have some sort of print function where you can print the running sum out to the standard output, say the command line. So that should just about do it.